In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is create a new page inside your Notion workspace. Once the new page is open, go ahead and give your database a name. Type whatever title you want at the top of the page, since this will be the heading that represents your database going forward. Now look just below the page title. You'll see a row that says Get Started With, which gives you a few quick layout options. At the end of that Get Started With row, you'll notice 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the extra menu. From the options that appear, click Table. This will insert a table block into your page, which is the foundation of your new database. Now let's add some database properties. Move your cursor up to the table header and click the plus sign at the end of the header row. A small panel will pop up where you can name this property. Go ahead and type in the property name you want to use for this column. After naming it, select the type you want for this property from the list of available field types. Now, let's add another database property. Again, click the plus sign at the end of the table header to create a second column. Type in the name for this new property in the field provided. Once the name is in, choose the type you want for this second property as well, picking whichever field type matches the kind of information you plan to store. With both properties ready, it's time to add the first database item. Start by clicking the first empty cell in the table. Type in the name of your first item directly into that cell. Next, move over and click the second empty cell in the same row. From the options that appear, select the type that fits this property. Now click the third empty cell in that row. Once again, select the type you want from the available choices for this property. Once all 3 cells in the row are filled in, click back into the main table area. This will close out the editing view and display your completed row inside the database, showing the item along with the values you just set for each property. And that's how you create a database in Notion. You now have a working database ready for you to build on with more items and properties whenever you need.